Look at my Phantom wallet right now. $14,165 received in just the last 7 days. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. The balance stays exactly the same. This is not to flex, just so you know I actually know what I'm talking about. Most of you watching this don't have a massive amount of capital. You might have 1 SOL, maybe 2 SOL, and you are trying to turn a small wallet into a big wallet. But here is the truth nobody tells you. Launching MemeCoins isn't about being lucky or trying to hit $1 million market cap on one coin. It is a repeatable system. Instead of trying to make $1,000 from one launch, the best developers make $50 or $100 from a launch and may do it 10 times a day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start with almost nothing, make money the exact same day, and scale it incredibly fast. Let's get into it. To get a free coin right now, keep a close watch on this video. I will be dropping 1 SOL for multiple peoples in random spots throughout the video. Stay until the finish so you can grab your chance. And remember our goal, we are not trying to push this to $1 million. We want to make a quick, clean profit and then do it again. Right now, I'd guess we are up around $1,000 or $1,200, bang. By the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Your main objective as a dev should be to make a little money, a lot of times. Think about how a normal trader operates. They sit on crypto Twitter, waiting for someone with global influence like Elon Musk, Donald Trump, or a major global news event to post something. Then they jump onto a DEX and try to buy the meme coin as early as possible, praying it goes parabolic so they can retire on one trade. They are playing player versus player against thousands of other players. But the developer, we see that exact same global tweet, but instead of buying, we literally just launch the coin. We buy in first, the traders flood in, and 2 minutes later, we sell into their liquidity and walk away with the profit. Every single time you lose money on a coin, I guarantee you the developer made money from you. Cool, let's get straight to it. Now, to execute this high volume strategy, you cannot use Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is totally overloaded, the fee system is completely against you, and you need to hit around a $35,000 market cap just to migrate to Raydium. When your goal is to make quick, consistent profits, you cannot afford that friction. That is exactly why I exclusively use LaunchMeme.Fun. Every single coin you launch here skips the bonding curve and goes straight to Raydium instantly. There are over 12,000 active traders on Raydium right now. You get instant visibility with zero waiting. That is why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now we are going to use the copy trending coins feature, but we are going to apply trader psychology to it. When you look at trending coins, you will see hundreds of ideas. 99% of them are trash. Traders only buy high quality narratives, global events, controversial topics, and massive celebrities. If a random UK rapper tweets, nobody cares. If Elon Musk tweets a picture of a monkey, traders will blindly throw money at it. We will only copy coins with global influence. Let's do a live example. Connect your Phantom wallet. You can see my wallet is connected. Let me hit refresh. Okay, look at this one. This coin is based directly on a massive global news story that just broke today. It already has momentum on Pump.Fun, so we are going to vamp it over to Raydium. Click copy to Raydium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see a warning. That is completely normal on every launchpad. Just ignore it, it's safe. Click proceed. Confirm I understand, and confirm. Give it a few seconds, and boom, the coin gets created. It is live on the blockchain. The coin gets vamped and created. If I open SolScan for proof, you can see it was minted on-chain just 12 seconds ago. Everything is legit. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool to get this token live for trading. Return to the site and click Create Liquidity Pool. On this page, for the token amount, click on 90%. For the SOL pairing, this is where you put a bit of SOL to swap into your own token supply. I am putting in 0.3 SOL, and don't worry, you are not losing this. It comes back to your wallet when you cash out. Click Create Pool. Phantom wallet pops up, ignore the warning, click confirm, wait a few seconds, and boom, your pool is live. Your pools just showed here, and if you want to check right now, our token update just hit refresh, and boom, we are up around $70, and it shows that the pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. Now click on View on Photon. You guys can use any other platform, let the coin load properly, and see. Guys, buyers are in, and a lot of transactions are happening. That's really unbelievable. Now, having a coin is great, but if nobody knows it exists, nobody buys. We are not going to manually spam Twitter. We are going straight to promote memes.fun to automatically get instant exposure on DexScreener, GMGN, and Birdeye. Connect the Phantom wallet and paste your token address. I am selecting the advanced 0.5 Sol package. You can use whatever you want, and make sure you enable include free website. Here, upload your logo, set your token name, select Raydium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the black one and just click confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go now. Click pay and promote. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click confirm. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up again, then click confirm again. Within seconds, it starts building a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of traders. Boom! The website is ready now. Click the website link and it will redirect to a page where you can see our token details and tokenomics. You can also add the token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. Oh my god, bro, just look at this. The volume is already coming in. We're seeing buys hit the transaction feed immediately. And remember our goal, we are not trying to push this to $1 million. We want to make a quick, clean profit and then do it again. Right now, I'd guess we are up around $1,000 or $1,200. Bang, bro. More people are aping in. The chart is pushing up. I think we are sitting at around $1,500 in pure profit right now. That is exactly what we want. I'm going to let this coin sit for just a tiny bit to capture this wave. When I come back, we cash out. Alright guys, I'm back. The momentum is peaking and we are sitting on strong liquidity. I'm dumping my position now. Go back to launch meme.fun and hit refresh. As you can see, we are up $2,276 in P&L. Click the minus button, select 100% to remove all liquidity. Wait for the Phantom wallet, ignore the warning, and click confirm. Wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed. Bang! That's it. Done. Now, if I open my wallet, boom, $3,153 are in my wallet. At the start of the video, I only have 9 Sol now. I have almost 32 Sol in total. Is it not insane? Now listen to me. That was $2,200 from one single launch that took less than 15 minutes. You rinse and repeat that method over and over again, 5 to 10 times a day. And that is how you build a massive portfolio from nothing. That is exactly how you dev meme coins. To win free sols for your launch costs, just subscribe, like the video, and comment rug pull below. I'm helping someone get a head start before they build their next coin. The winner will be announced on my Discord and Telegram, and will also join both groups. Without following, you'll not get any sols, so make sure you're following there to be eligible.